Hi, I'm Agnes. Welcome to my meditation channel. Many of the meditations on this channel have been requested by you, the viewers. I have a mixture of guided meditations where I guide you through a scene. I also have affirmation meditations. There are many topics: love, relationships, specific person, dream job, career, forgiveness, ho'oponopono, and some healing meditations, to name a few. These playlists will continue to evolve and expand. There are two voices on this channel. The female voice is mine, and the male voice is from Skywalker, who lends his wonderful velvet tones from time to time.
It is for you to get into a state of amazing love within.
On this channel, I now create a music version and a voice-only version of every new meditation that I do. There is also a free beauty subliminal for you on my website, and also you can find some longer form meditations that you can purchase there as well. I also create personal meditations for you if you can't find anything that suits your needs here on the channel. You may know I have a main channel that I have had for some time now. I first started meditations on there, so if you want to check out my old stuff, feel free to take a look. Keep in mind, these are old ones, so you will hear a lot of London noises in the background. Lots of love, everyone, and happy meditating. That's it.